Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import transactions in YNAB. All right. You actually have two options. Okay. Method one is direct import. This is for the linked account. Okay. And the second one is the file-based import, which means manual upload. So the first one, to perform a direct import, just go ahead and click on, add account right here, wait for it to load, and just go ahead and log in to any of your banks right here. Okay. Let's say you have Chase, just click on Chase right here, wait for it to load, and just log in with your Chase account. And once that's done, it will ask you to select the things that you wanted to import. So just basically follow simple prompts, and once that's done, all of your transactions will be imported onto YNAB right here. Now, the other option is by manual upload. Okay, to do that, just gotta find the file from your computer. Let's say, for example, I have here the plan. Okay, so what you'll do is just basically drag and drop. Okay, as you might notice here, we have this pop-up. Okay, I'm going to show you. Go to drag and drop. It says here incoming CSV. Drop a file to import. So drop, as it says here, we couldn't find any transactions in the file because this is basically zero right here. It doesn't have any value. This is the same plan. Okay, so if you have other files just like from your bank, okay, if you want to do it manually, just log into your bank's website and download your transaction history in a compatible format. Okay, so basically QFX, OFX, or CSV. Okay, and just do the same thing, drag and drop, review and match, and once done, just hit on confirm and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.